What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Before we jump into today's video, as you can tell, there's a lot of issues going on over here. I want to stop and say thank you to each and every single one of you because we just hit 500 subscribers, man. So thank you guys so much. Halfway to 1,000, and whether this is your first video or whether you're returning, I would greatly appreciate if each and every one of you just hit the subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers, man. We're on the way. So with that being said, let's jump into today's video. Today's video is sponsored by AUXITO LED lights, man, and this is such a blessing in disguise. If you tuned into the last video, then you've seen just how bad these LED lights are. These things are trash.
Is that your brights?
Yep.
Hey, Alza. You really cannot see shit. So if you can't see like us, he has his brights on right now.
This is gonna be my regular lights right here. This is absolutely dangerous. Yeesh. And as soon as they went out, AUXITO LED lights, they hit me up and said they wanted to sponsor today's video. Christmas is coming around. I know y'all need some LED lights. Ladies, your boyfriends need some LED lights. So be sure to click the link in the description and use the code Treymoney to get 15% off. This is one of the best Christmas gifts you can get any family member. So with that being said, we're gonna install these. Thank you guys so much once again. And let's jump into today's video. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes with the box here. They give you a set of gloves, which is nice. Some zip ties to mount everything up. Some instructions, and then here's the lights right here. These things look absolutely mint. I think these just released, so huge shout out to AUXITO once again. This is such a blessing, can't even express. So we're gonna show y'all how to install these. We're gonna make this quick and simple. This should be a very quick install, so let's jump into it. And then this is super easy on these 2004s, 1099. Well, these are super simple. You just pull these two pins out. It's that easy right there, so. All right, so here's where we've jumped into so far. I'm gonna place those right there. This wiring is very bad setup on whoever did it last. Oh, that's nice right there, actually.
Yeah, so we take all out.
This wiring is actually super bad on the old ones. The new ones is super simple and quick, plug and play. If you can kind of see in there, it's routed down in there. This old unit here was connected to the battery, and it's probably pulling extra juice. So all we're doing right now is just pretty much disconnecting all the old stuff, and that was pretty simple right there.
Yeah, not too bad.
Getting all the old stuff out, and then we're gonna jump into installing the new. All right, we got all this. Look at this huge mess right here, and look how simple this is. I mean, my goodness. All of this compared to this is so much more simple. So this is super simple. The first thing you gotta do is just remove the lock. Then you gotta remove this thing right here. So you get this out the way. You make sure you keep this. And then I'll bring this over here. And if you can see right through here, it can move. So what we're gonna do is, this is the new one of this. So this comes off right here. And we're gonna put this right here back in our box. All right, now that you got this in there flush like that, then you're gonna take your lock, the fins on the top side right here. You're gonna place it in and then just lock it in there. So if I pull on it, it shouldn't come out. And from there, you're gonna take your light, put it back in right here.
There you go. Whenever you twist it, it locks.
Oh, that's perfect right there.
Yeah, so basically the cord coming down is where you want it at the bottom, because that means it's vertical.
Gotcha. Would you like to do the honor, sir?
Yeah, I'll do it. Here, do the side first. Here.
Zingo. All right, she's in there.
See what she looks like.
And they're like swimwear. The lights on real quick, and you can literally tell the difference right now. Like, look at the light. Look, it's literally only bright because of this side. So we're gonna knock this other side out, and then we're gonna give y'all a full reveal. All right, we got that side in. We're gonna do the exact same thing to this side, and then we're gonna show y'all the reveal. But I mean, look at this. Look at all of this compared to this. I mean, seriously, this is unbelievable how simple this is. So again, come on. This isn't even a debate. And they're like swimwear. All right. Sits in there. Thank you, brother. Thank you. All right, so this is so simple. We didn't like, it's so like little wire. I didn't even use this, so we're gonna go ahead and give you the reveal. Go ahead and jump in, Bo.
Would you like to see the sun?
I would love to see the sun. Hang on, let me back up right here. All right, go ahead. Oh. Oh, that's so much better, dude. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, that's bright as fudge. If we weren't recording, this is probably what, 15 minutes? That was super simple and easy. But yeah, we're gonna, oh my gosh, I might need new tires here before too long. But we're gonna get this thing outside and show y'all just how bright this is. All right, we're doing a little test drive. We got a little bit of tweaking to do, but you can definitely tell it is so much brighter. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. But I think we gotta tweak the lights a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, the headlamps.
Just to get them, just to raise them.
Yeah, we need to tilt them up a little.
But you can just see, like, you can see way better, like, directly in front of us. The brights. That's so nice. A little festivities here. Once again, be sure to use the link in the description. Get 15% off using code Treymoney. It's that time of year, y'all. It's Christmas time. Y'all gotta get some gifts. So what better gift than to get some bright freaking LED lights? So let's get this thing back to the house. Gosh, that's crazy, bro. All right, guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you once again. Huge shout out to AUXITO for sending out those lights. This is a game changer, life changer. I feel safer driving on the road now versus using one headlight. Just all around, just great product. And thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Once again, go down, link in the description. Be sure to use the link. Use code Treymoney once again for 15% off for the holidays too. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you once again. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So let's lock in. See you on the next one. Peace. And before we jump into today's video, shit, oh my gosh, delete it. I want to go ahead and thank each. Hang on, restart.
Take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.